Hello, sweet team. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great because I am doing great. Today, my husband was craving for tilapia, so I decided to make a fried tilapia for him, and I decided to show you guys how I made it. So please, I will not be talking too much, so please watch it closely, step by step. How I'm making this. Wait. Yes, please, you wait. If you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video. And to my return viewers, guys, I really love you and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, you are warmly welcome to this beautiful family. You are warmly welcome. Thank you for subscribing to this channel and for being part of this family. We appreciate you a lot. And for those that have not subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? My dear, please subscribe to this channel to be notified anytime I drop videos like this, because as I say always, I have amazing plans for this channel, so don't be left out. And I want you to watch everything to the end because you will love to stay to the end. Just look at that. My vegetable sauce is around the fish. Yes, I just decorated it around the fish, and I will spread some green pepper sauce. I was just bring it around it, the fish, not too much, and I'll just garnish with my vegetables. I'm using onion, green pepper, and tomatoes. Just goodness, my dears, I'm not going to lie to you. When I was done with this, when my husband was enjoying it, I just wanted to have a taste of it. So I just went and had a taste of it, and when it entered into my mouth, what I said was, wow. It was soft and delicious. Try this, so just don't watch it just like this. So try it. Make it for your husband or some guests that will come up to your house. And please don't forget to subscribe and share this. Thank you.